15-20 minutes cooked on KickAss products out in the middle of nowhere.
How good's that? You beauty.
G'day, it's Grant Coleman here from Big GC Barbecue. Today we're off grid. I'm going to cook a creamy tomato pasta with KickAss products. Today we're using the 2000 watt KickAss induction cooktop. Also we've got the KickAss Travel Oven, and also we've got the upright KickAss fridge. And it's all powered today by the KickAss Power Boss and the Ultra X 230 amp hour battery. With this creamy tomato pasta, there's only 6 ingredients that you need. Cherry tomatoes, Cabana, garlic, basil, feta, and some pasta. So first up, cook the tomatoes on the 2000 watt induction cooker. We'll just add a little bit of oil. Put our tomatoes in. We only want to just blanch them a little bit just to soften them up. Whilst I'm doing that, some Cabana. You don't have to put Cabana in it. I like to put a little bit of meat protein in with it. Just makes a bit of flavour and a bit more filling. You can choose whatever you like. Just put that in with the tomatoes. Whatever quantity you think you need for your family. Give a nice stir. Only trying to warm it up and just to soften them tomatoes. Whilst that's taking place, just get some basil. Some leaves ready to put in. Nice fresh basil. As you can see, the induction cooker works very well. Got that nice sizzle happening. Starting to brown up. I'll place them in the dish out of the KickAss Travel Oven. I'll just place them in there. This is where I'll put some salt and pepper on it as well. I will put a little bit of garlic in there now before we put it in the oven. Then I'll just put some more basil leaves, spread that all over it, nice and even. A couple of blocks of feta. Once we've got the cheese in, put the olive oil on top, and put it in the KickAss Travel Oven, and then I'm going to boil the water, and then we'll add the pasta into the dish. Probably a good 5 to 10 minutes in there. Just got to monitor the cheese, make sure the cheese melts nice and even. We'll get the KickAss 2000 watt induction cooker turned back on, add some water to it. I like to put a fraction of oil in, just a little bit. As I say, you can use any pasta, noodles of this dish, whichever you like. Look at that, unbelievable. It took about 2 minutes to boil that. Add the pasta in, just give it a quick stir, keep it on the boil. Once the pasta's cooked, I'm going to turn it off. Going to get our tray back out. We're going to put this pasta on top. Just give it a nice little mix in. As you can see, cheese is melted. Tomatoes are nice and soft.
Oh, what's he made here, mate? What do you got?
Mate, you're just in time. Creamy pasta. Try that.
Righto, let's give it a rip, eh?
Yeah. Pretty good.
Well done, mate.
15-20 minutes cooked on KickAss products out in the middle of nowhere.
How good's that? You beauty.
Beautiful. It's actually not too bad.
That is really good.